Hey guys, I'm back, and today we're talking about Dice.com. Dice.com is a technical recruiting site, technical careers, any kind of IT, any kind of software development, any kind of information system security. You'll find it on Dice. Dice is one of the top technical sites for jobs in the United States. So you definitely want to put your resume out there along with Monster, Indeed, and LinkedIn and all those. But Dice is definitely one you want to have in your toolbox. So let me show you another really cool feature of Dice if you're looking for a remote job specifically. I'm going to put in my keyword. Your keyword might be different. It might be network engineer. It might be CCNP. It might be whatever your specialty is. You should know that having gone through this course. So mine is risk management framework. So here I am. I'm typing that here. And I put the state of Colorado, right? I'm going to search for it here, and I'll find nothing. I'll find absolutely nothing. So let me just type in, some other keywords. Let me see that one here. Nothing. Okay, let's try cyber security jobs. Okay, we should get some results. There we go. Cybersecurity jobs. Tons of them for cybersecurity. Lots and lots. But you want to work remote, right? So they got this really cool feature that I wish they would put on every site. But you want to work from home? You just say yes. And it found me a bunch of work from home cybersecurity jobs. One from Splunk, one for information system security. That's based out of Denver. One security engineer consulting, principal consultant, senior network engineer, full stack, remote. All these are remote work from home positions, guaranteed, because I just clicked this right here. It's only searching for those. One thing I noticed is that when the employers are putting these jobs inside of Dice.com, sometimes for whatever reason, it's remote, but it won't come up as work from home available. So what you want to do with those is just uncheck this, and it's going to search for everything, right? Then what you do is type in remote. You want to do both, because sometimes what happens is when the employer is putting them in here, this is what my theory on it is anyway. When the employer is putting the data inside of Dice.com, they're not checking. There's some box that they're not checking. And even though the job is remote, they're not checking some box that says work from home, but it is a remote job. Because I found some jobs that actually were remote, but when you search it, it wasn't coming up. So some of these jobs right here are remote, but when you click this, it doesn't come up. So you want to actually go through, and I think this is one of them. Let me see if I can find the one I actually found that was... It is a remote job, but it just didn't say, right here. This is what they didn't click. It is a remote job if you read the description, but it says that it's not a remote job. So that's why you actually want to take the time and dig through and do a search for actual remote jobs, because this is Leidos, and it says we're seeking somebody in these locations. There's tons of locations that they're looking for. And I want to say this is the remote job. They said it in there specifically. But that's the reason why you got to take your time and actually search through and find those remote jobs by actually typing in remote. So that's it, guys, for Dice.com. Just make sure you check it out. It's a really cool site. I love their search feature where you can only look for remote jobs. As I find more stuff, going through my own searches for jobs, I'll key you in on more things. But that's it for today. See you on the next one.